That is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Ours just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira tutu, kia waganui tutu.
Hear my brother say, stop.
I want to win. I want to win.
Let's go! Anei a haka feels, te mihi atu nei.
Tēnā tātou e te whānau, e te iwi nau mai hara mai ki tēnei pāpā ōtanga, ka whakaata Māori, ka mihi ki ngā maunga, ngā wai, ngā ame ngā ahi kā, ko tēnei rohe, tēnā tātou katoa ki ngā kaipakahaere, ki ngā kaipakataitai, e mihi mahana kia hoki kia koutou, ko John Edmund Maua, ko Matt Sealan tēnei, mihi ana kia koutou, nau mai hoki mai ki tēnei whakataitai, ki Wanganui, te kura tamatāne o ahuriri, me te kāreti o te tamatāne o Tauranga, ki ana kia koutou.
Kia ora, John, and welcome everybody to this broadcast on Whakaata Māori. Thank you, John. Ngā mihi for your warm welcome to the mountains, waters and the people of this area. Beautiful day down here in Ahuriri, as we have the Napier Boys heading into the Jets. Greetings to you all, and a big warm welcome to all our athletes, and also to you watching online and the family that have travelled far and wide to be with us on a beautiful day.
We're expecting a great game here today. We're going to go through the Napier Boys team. We've got Blake Hooton, Harry Jones, Monty Waihope, Tommy Morris, Brad Pearce, Ollie McLaughlin, Ollie Mackey, Carter Perry, Harry Bunyan, Will Lovett, Rick Withers, Charlie Worsnock, Sakariah Pody, David Hensey, and in fullback we've got Riley Winchester, Campbell Mosley, Chaos, we're at Kupa Kinea, Kupa Konikawa, Riley Wainga, Samuel Lum, Petili, and Tuaki Skelter in the pin.
And for TBC in the front row today, we've got Jacob Bridbar, Matt Bell, and Isaiah Sony. Our two locks are Karen Charlton and Zach Kearney. Making up our flankers today, we have Jaden Hauler, Eli Penton, and Hedipeti Bidwar. The 9-10 combo is Nate McDonald and young Nathan Thoron. On the left wing, we have Isaiah Ray Portini. Our centre midfield combination is Cohen Saitu and Machu Temaipi. Timothy Sowa and Tommy McCoy make up the back three. On our bench today, we have AJ Sopa, Tamahai Tautoko Smith, Cullen Vickers, Zach Simeon, Tommy Veron, Taina Williams, and Sam Veron. Johnny, we've just watched a pretty entertaining second 15 game between these two. Good dry track, beautiful day. Looks like we're going to have some good running rugby.
Ai, tēnei ahi I rokoi tēnei whenua o Ahuriri. Great weather today, and we're looking forward to this great game. Do you remember what how this been last year?
Oh, not off the top of my head, but what I do want to acknowledge is our sponsors. This wouldn't be possible without the support of First Whakaata Māori and Te Taurua Wiri, Bailey's Real Estate, Caltex, Natavia, Apollo Projects, Anchor, Clubhouse. So big thank you and big mihi out to those people that support bringing this live secondary school sport across the Motu so everyone can enjoy. To the whānau back home in Te Moana Atua in the Bay of Plenty, I know there'll be plenty of people extended whānau, grandparents all tuning in to watch their sons, grandsons, and extended family play an awesome game of football today.
Yeah, we're expecting a great game here. Both teams have had some good results throughout their season starter.
What are the first two games Napier played? Huh?
So first up, Napier had Gisborne Boys High School. That was a tough game, that game. And they did get up in the end.
Home or away?
I was at home. I think Gisborne Boys sort of used the wind a bit better in the second half. So they kept them in the game. And great challenging game. Second game was against Hastings Boys, which is a great rivalry match here. Great.
Yeah, and for Tamatane o Tauranga Moana, Tauranga Boys, they had their first up Super 8 game was against Rotorua Boys. Big traditional fixture, many teams playing, close game. 17-15 the score on that day. The weather turned a little bit rough in the second half, but an awesome contest. And then last weekend, Tauranga Boys played New Plymouth Boys and got away to a good win there. So two teams coming in after two pretty good battles. I think we're going to have a good game out here today.
Absolutely, yeah.
Anyone to watch or look out for in the MΑORI Napier Boys team?
I think the our stand-off people, our first five and halfback, they lead the team really well. Some good go forward with our captain. Plays a great leadership role in that space.
Looking across the Super 8 games that have been played, I can't quite get a read on any early front runner. There's been some close results, and a couple of good others. I mean, there are a couple of teams played 3 games, the rest have played 2. It's hard to see where this competition is going to go early in the season.
It really is the two teams come out and do their traditional players. Looking forward to giving this game.
And again, just for those who have joined us, another acknowledgement and mihi to our sponsors, Tata MΑORI, Te Taura Wiri, Bailey's Real Estate, Caltex, Natavia, Hollow Projects, Anchor, and Clubhouse. Again, without their support, we don't get to see these awesome rivalries. As we're about to see Tauranga Boys coming onto the field, I'd like to see these traditions young, the pride that these boys hold, the excitement from traditional caps for those boys that have played a certain amount of games for their teams. Some taiha here for and here we are, ready for some haka. Always great to see these traditions. Awesome set of challenges there from the boys. We've seen Hiripiti Bidwa holding a anchor, John. Tauranga is the place of safe harbourage, and the Tauranga Boys Rugby team basing a lot of their kaupapa in rugby around that anchor and anchoring the team together. And that is the significance of the anchor there.
So what's your link into Tauranga? Right.
So my son, Zach Simeon, will be off the bench today, number 17, I believe. No, number 19. Number 19. Good to see Dad's checked up on things when he's in this position, but that's okay. And you, John?
Koe te he kaia ko Whangarau, I rupu I tēnei kura. So I get a math teacher here. This is my first year here. It's Napier Boys, and we've just moved over from Plymouth Boys High School. So if you accidentally hear me saying te kura tamatani o ngā motu, that'll be
You're in the wrong
reason
place.
why, yeah.
You're in the wrong place. And we're just waiting for Rotorua, I think. Yep, here it comes. Coming in.
So to this. We'll love it. Go and get us underway today.
And here we go, we're underway. No bad luck there for Tauranga Boys. Little knock on there from the start, giving Napier the opportunity for an early attacking scrum. Knowing a couple of these front rows, they'll be pretty excited about that. Get the first scrum underway. Boys here to feed the scrum. A bit of push and shove, just sounding each other out with that first interaction of the boys. Let's have a second go, eh? See what happens. Good scrum from Tauranga Boys there, turn the ball over. That's the first 5 Nathan Theron, feeding it out through the backs. Running from deep inside out to Tommy McCoy, making a superb run down the sideline. Yeah.
I'll take from there and give them forward by getting a strong kick from there.
Good drive there from Napier Boys. Really getting some forward and with the good break, good offload. Good offload by the number 12 there. And
we come back to the penalty.
Good play there from Napier Boys. Good solid forward drive off the line out, taken quite quickly. And that's the penalty we're coming back for, is the resulting maul after that and Tauranga Boys collapsing. And will we see a kick for touch or kick for goal? Right, here we are.
Relying on their drive here.
We will see another drive coming up here from MΑＯRI Napier Boys. Will Tauranga contest. And 2, Harry Jones to feed the line out.
Ai mai rātou. Te rarangi piro.
It's a good pace sideways from the maul there. The ball gone to ground. Number 9, Harry Brain, feeding out to his midfield. Good defence there from Tauranga Boys, Zach Keeney.
Good pick and go there from the back of the maul from Napier.
Yeah, wonderful kind of forward momentum here from Napier Boys. Good D from Tauranga. Marking up. Number 3 there, Monty, taking the hit up. Still going here from Napier Boys, feeding it out again. Good D from Tauranga. One man's got to ground. Another ruck, 2 or 3 metres out from the try line. And another pick and go to the left there this time. And again, and do we have eyes on the referee? And he is called held up. And he's coming back. Must be unplayable there. He's coming back for a scrum. MΑORI to feed. Another scrum coming up here for Napier Boys. 5 out from the Tauranga Boys line. Good number 8 picking up off the back. Good defence again from Tauranga Boys, but some very industrious play here from Napier. Out to the backs, another set midfield. Good ball there, that's a great pick and go.
Great pick and go there by
number 5, I think it was, John. Oh, up over the top. What have we seen? Referee held up.
Held up.
Oh, some great play there from Napier Boys. Forwards really getting stuck into their mahi there, John.
Well, two things happened here. Good pressure coming on by Napier. And then the other side of that, defence by Tauranga holding up.
And big long dropout from number 10, Nathan Theron, out to number 8, the captain for Ahuriri. Oh, good tackle, Khan Charlton. Stopped him in his tracks. Solid ruck ball again here from Napier. Down the left-hand side. And again, good defence. Positive play from both teams, and both the attack and defence. And going down the short side, forwards again stepping up, really getting into their work here. What will we see now? Out to our backs. Oh no, here we go again.
Sort of in the midfield.
Right, number 3, I believe, Monty.
Takaro.
Down the blind side again. Good ball handling skills here from Napier, and the recycling is excellent. And here we go. Oh, and a little break here. Midfield, great step, and he's fed. And here he is, number 9, co-captain Harry Bain, in under the black dot for the first try of the game.
Harry
Bain up. Small paperwork here, Ewa. I didn't bring my glasses for the little paperwork you've given me here for names.
Pai tērā piro, kia Ahuriri, arawe te poro, kia Harry Bain, pai Ahuriri.
Aye. And reward too for some really good forward momentum and sustained pressure, holding on to the ball. And successful conversion.
I love it.
Well, good opening stanza there for Ahuriri. Tauranga Boys up to the challenge, but I think Sakara, a bit breaking through the middle and feeding the inside to his number 9. We're back to halfway for the restart. And Nathan Theron to get us on the way. Oh, that's a big catch. That's a big 52.
Yeah, right there up and
Builder.
ana roa tēnā.
Run out here for Napier Boys. A little bit bobbly off the top and stolen by Tauranga Boys in advantage there. Guys only. Taking the off the ruck there. Getting some clean ball. Little step from Nathan Theron and the exit. Not quite clean enough on the exit there. And here comes Ahuriri again.
And swap those the ruck there. And then we're looking at our centres to pick the ball up.
Oh, great inside ball. Really enterprising play here from Napier Boys. Just really consistent in their handling of the ball, setting their targets. Number 10 through again. Playing again on the inside ball. And back into the work, pick and go. Here we go again from Ahuriri Napier Boys. 2 metres out. Put on a hard on defence.
That wide ball.
Oh, big wide pass. Oh, wow.
Harry Jones coming out wide just as a good hooker does.
Look at right, Odie there. That's a great long pass over the top to feed his outsides. And great to see a big man rolling out on the sideline, doing a good Sean Fitzpatrick back in our day. Those of you that don't know Sean Fitzpatrick, we're showing our age.
Up there for our Plymouth Boys High
The boys out to a blistering start 11 minutes in. Oh, look at that conversion. Right, 14 moves after 11 minutes of the game. All right, here we go again, back to the same position of a few minutes ago. That kick, I think from Lovett again it was, number 10. Monstrous 50-22. Doesn't seem to be a lot of wind out there, John.
No.
A bit too eager. Man in front. Into a scrum midfield. You can hear referee giving some commentary himself to the Tauranga Boys of how far in front they were. Kind of them. This scrum from Tauranga over on the far side. A good tight head from them. What do we got this time? Good even This time Tauranga Boys with ball in hand. Kick from Nathan Theron. Down some green grass in the back. Timothy Soa through there. It's a good play from driving over the top. Tauranga Boys doing a good job here. Can they get the ball?
Great job to sort of hold on to.
Oh no, turned over Tauranga. Matt Bell with the strong carry. And Khan Charlton. Oh, big run from Khan Charlton, the skipper of our Tauranga Boys. Still going, Khan. Still going, Khan Charlton. Oh, look at that from the big man. That's what they needed, Tauranga Boys. Penalty, a mo te wihi for that young man. Standing out well in his red headgear. Tauranga needed that. They needed those 5 points after after Ahuriri, Napier Boys had gone out to a strong 14-0 start. So well done, Tauranga Boys. Showing some very good play. Nathan Theron is our number 10 today. Actually standing to his left is our usual number 10. Took a bit of a leg injury last week. So Nathan is year 11 and plays all over the back line. I've seen him from second 5 to wing, fullback. Great young man. Finn Curtis is our other number 10 standing there supporting Nathan. Lines it up. Big strike. And great up. Couldn't quite bring it around. Wow. In for a game, I think, John.
I think so. Very good, good first 15 minutes.
Aye.
Looking for the thing for our first half. Wow.
Hello. Ready to restart midfield. Well done, Zach Keeney. Jaden Hauler getting, and here goes Tauranga Boys again. Cohen, oh, what an offload. Clean ball, look at the pace of that ruck. Oh, what an offload. Here's Kane Felton, out to Nathan again. Nathan Thron. Oh, bad luck. Good play there from Tauranga Boys. Setting some very good targets. Good ball. And look at offload. It's been close. Well done, boys. In line out there from Napier. And here we go with this drive again. Tauranga choosing not to engage in their second and player rules there from young boys. And here we go, Napier again. In the through. I'll put the back on something on the board. Yeah, Tauranga Boys trying to play the game, a lot of engagement with the ball and hoping the transfer of the ball will get back to the other side. But they break off. Looking after that ball, and Tauranga doing what was needed to be done and taking that ball.
Hearing of making be able to make those half break time.
And with an offload. Line out ball again here for Napier. They got Charlton back there in front of that one. It's a good guard, number 8. Good ruck. Going out wide, Tauranga Boys. Away. No, good. Diddy. Nope. We've got a turnover to a turnover. Get Keenan in the midfield. Long run. Braden Hall can get clear out that ruck. Donald. Out to Nathan. Advantage being played by the referee.
And only just keep them offside when they get the go forward going well. Tauranga.
He's absolutely committed. Strong running, great defense, and attacking the ball on the ground as well. Ron.
Please try to slow down a little bit. Go, Brad. Up, Brad.
To Rarangi, Tauranga.
Look at the line out there from Tauranga Boys. Midfield. Oh, what an offload. It's a good bar. Braden Hall with a strong carry.
Get deeper. Yep, get ready. Reload.
And look at that again.
Make it an easier pass for Izzy. Work off Izzy. There's a runner. 12 still off.
Extra man with an out back ball. Late from here. Number 11 on fire. They put them. Oh, and this boys.
Game for XV Boys.
It's interfering.
I call it in.
It's wrong midfield. He's hoping that young man ground is okay. Breather. Plus, both teams catch the breath and have a little put-it-all around what's going well.
Anything's going well here, Matt, for Tauranga Boys?
Oh, when they've got the ball in hand, they're doing what Napier's doing. They're setting some good targets. They're being industrious. They're trying to get the ball out to their flanks. They've got some good pace out wide and a very strong fullback in Tommy McCoy. So we saw that earlier when he went down the sideline. So I think they're building. Napier came out very strong on their home track, and I think we're settling into a settling phase for both teams. And Tauranga's probably had the better of the last 5 minutes versus Napier's very strong first 10.
I think Napier are absorbing at the moment, and once they're not as hungry at that breakdown play, but they are coming back into this. When they're getting that momentum on, they're setting themselves. They just need to get the offside.
Young men are just excited at that breakdown. Hands on ball. They just want it. Here we are again. Scrum time. Napier boy ball. 10 metres out from the 22 on Napier's end of the field.
Hoping they are okay.
Napier boys. And here we go again, this midfield pairing. No offload this time, but a good ruck step. Good play from the Tauranga ball. Oh, this is a contest. Great contest from the boys. And a clearing kick. Oh, it's been charged down for Tauranga boys. Timothy Sola for the corner. Here he is. Oh, that is a great charge down scoop up from number 14, Timothy Sola.
Well done.
Unfortunate there for Napier boys. They were doing most things right there to clear that ball. And again, that centre pairing, strong running, but Tauranga boys able to capitalise on a charge down, and Timothy Sola showing his pace down the right-hand edge and scoring in the corner.
There's been some really good play there from Tauranga. Lots of pressure, and I think, this has really turned out to be a great game.
14-10. Just the conversions in it at the moment. 2 tries apiece. I'm enjoying this, John. I'm enjoying this. This is a great game of footy.
Pai te pare o enei kapa. Pai te tackling in there. It's coming in hard and strong. It's a physical matchup.
The kick from Nathan Thron had to take it quickly after it fell over and pushed it across in front of the post. So the score remains 14-10. It's like a game of 2 halves and 1 half. 22 minutes in.
O te rapiro ki te korera kakau.
And a good kick off there and good return from Tauranga. And
Rangi Wanganui.
Aye.
The line out there on the halfway.
Perfectly down the middle. And a clear line out here for both teams. All good contest. Well won by Napier boys. And here we go again, out to the strong midfield. Good tackle there from Eli Panton, who looks like he has been patched up.
And the boys relying on Ahuriri, relying on those breakdown runners in the middle.
Going backwards a little bit there, but well done. Great kick. Great kick. Floyd with the back. And he opts to have a go, and he's got through the first tackle. He's given it out to the second, down the edge, back inside to Matt Bell. Oh, well done, number 9. Well done.
Chuck!
Very bang. That tackle needed to be made. Big
Go, Nathan!
covering
Go,
kick. Nathan's
Nathan!
gone out on his own. Industrious, stepping, feeding Carn Charlton. That's a big hit. Big contest there between two boys.
Eyes up!
Ooh,
Men's
Tauranga
five!
boys.
Men's
Nate
five!
McDonald, Sony, Jaden Hauler. What Jaden Hauler going strong. Good cover tackle from Harry Payne again. Number 9. Oh, he's definitely saving his team from tries at the moment. Unfortunately there for Tauranga Boys, a little knock on in that ruck, but wow.
Tai toko o Tauranga Boys.
Just exciting rugby to watch, John.
Ai. Tino whakaiti taha.
Sometime again, the boys up front love this stuff. Isaiah Sony, comes from a family of front rowers, loves it. The front row family club group chat, the Sony family. Napier Boys out to the left wing. Rick Withers out on the left wing there. And another good carry. I didn't pick up on that player. Coming through. Offside there from Tauranga Boys. And penalty. A little bit of pressure there for Napier.
As we come into the last 9 minutes of the Wāhanga Tuatahi. Tēnei Kimu.
It's a good kick.
Whana te kauro, tokuna o te whakararam.
Great kick from all of it. Riding off some big yards. Getting his team up for a great line out. 5 out from the 2022 in Tauranga territory. And a good contest again, and here we go again. We've got this maul happening. Tauranga,
great take there in the line-out.
Ball's gone down, and advantage again to Napier. Out to the strong, great tackle, Eli Panton, well done. Got him in his tracks. Big wide pass. Out to the right winger. Contained there by Tommy McLeod and Isaiah Ray Fortuny. Look for the penalty. And it swings again. Napier Boys turning back the pressure. Good kick again earlier to that line out. Good line out take.
Tiro te kaiwawao ki te rangatiro o te timo Tauranga.
Carn Charlton, the skipper, probably asking questions, I would say, about that maul situation. It is causing them a little bit of havoc. And I'm sure it'll be something that will be spoken about at half time. What will we see here? 7 metres out from the Tauranga line. Napier Boys hard on attack. Number 2, Harry Jones feeds the line out. And here we go. And down into Harry Jones again. Is that his second today? I believe it is his second. He was the one that got the big wide pass. So a maul and then using the short side very effectively there, Napier Boys. With Harry Jones crashing over.
With 7 minutes to go in this half, probably a good thing for Napier just to try and go into the break that under the belt. I really love it with the conversion coming.
I'm feeling tired just watching this go back and forth and swinging in roundabouts. Great play from all our young men out on the field so far today. Love it for his conversion. And he struck it well, and the flags are raised.
pai tēnei tautau, Wanganui tēnei kura. Tino tere tēnei tēnei.
21-10 the score, 3 tries to 2, 3 conversions to Napier, really starting to have a little bit of that.
Te riri koro mo i nei kapa.
Right. Napier starting to get a bit of scoreboard pressure with those conversions as we kick off again Nathan Colon.
Ona ai real love it.
Love it, clear and kick.
Tēnei taha. Rārangi ki a Tauranga.
Almost going to take the last kick off back to halfway near. Time Tauranga Boys ball. Matt Belt, beat the line out.
What's the drive? They come to you. He doesn't know what he's saying.
Great. Napier Boys get a man halfway up to it was a contest. They did well there. Understanding the rule. Back and go here from number 9, Will Bain. Harry Bain. Sorry,
Harry Bain is having a great game.
He is. Down the left-hand wing, Napier Boys. And here we go again, another strong carry.
Yuri, pull up.
Bain, little bobble there, but picked up. Well done, that man. Tauranga keeping their line. Out to Will again. Big dummy. It wasn't taken by Benton.
Put on to Will. Controls been really well. There's a lot of pushing on.
Good defence from Tauranga. Going backwards Napier, but still in control of the ball. That's our right-hand wing. Davis. And here he is again, playing down the blind. Playing a strong game. And another carry, midfield. Good carry there.
Stay, Davis, stay. Flatter, Davis. Go, Davis.
Coming down the right-hand edge.
Just Mackie there.
Back and forward with hits. Playing one left, one right at the moment. Little pick and go. Eli Panton over the ball.
Being very patient here in Napier.
Not this time. Out to the left-hand side. Into our midfield again. Ball out the back. Here we go out to our winger. Oh, he's got round one. Matt Bell there for the covering tackle. Another ruck ball here for Napier. Midfield set. Eli Panton there.
Ahuriri moving the ball well.
Here we are going out wide again. Bit of a low pass, but collected very well. And Will Levitt taking the ball to the line strongly. Oh, 2 boys over the top there. Oh, what do we got? Still going, Napier Boys. Still controlling that ball. And another big carry from number 5.
And great.
Brad Pearce. And a pick and go. Napier Boys piling on some pressure here. Short ball. What have they got? They are so close again. Great. And the chip over the top. Oh, bad luck, that young man. That is a great period of play. Oh no, what are we doing? Are we coming back for a penalty?
What did you do here, man?
Oh, I think with the line outs, he's tapped. He's gone. He sent the ball out. Oh, that's great defence. Personally, I think I would have gone corner, but I do like the industrious player tapping and going, keeping the ball going. Well done, that man. What would the old boys in the comm box know anyway? Turned over from Tauranga Boys. Oh, that's good defence.
That's great defence.
Great defence from Tauranga Boys. Wow. What a contest. Napier Boys.
This is an outstanding game.
Napier Boys throwing everything at Tauranga. Tauranga's defence standing up. And we go again. One out on the 22. overthrown, taken there by Nate McDonald, and he's pushed that downfield. 50-22 maybe? Ooh, not quite, but a good clearing kick and relieving some well-needed pressure for Tauranga Boys. Might be long to go. A good quick line out from Napier Boys. That's one way to and this drive again.
Tommy, drop more. Win.
Stop this time by Tauranga Boys. Pushing
Nate
towards the sideline.
Nathan!
Available.
And Bain.
Down to Tommy McCoy. Well taken, Tommy. He'll have a run and a step. And there he goes. Oh, great defense from Napier Boys. Tauranga getting back and recycling. And here they come out wide. Isaiah Ray Courtney bringing it back in for his team. On the right. McDonald digging for the ball. There it is. He's found the ball. Had a good go himself. Oh, bad luck there for Napier Boys. Nearly a turnover. And we go out wide again. And McCoy looking for some open space. 50-22.
That'll do.
Was he inside there? I believe he might have been. Oh, that's half time.
Well, that was a great half. That was an outstanding half of rugby. And as we go into the break, both teams will have a lot to think about.
21-10. John just running adventurous schoolboy rugby.
Hi.
Well, look, to those of you watching online, I hope you're enjoying this and not being too annoyed by the two old boys in the combox who are enjoying themselves way too much. But again, we want to take a moment to acknowledge our sponsors and supporters to bring this to you from wherever you are across the Motu. So again, to Whakata Māori, ngā mihi to you for providing the platform to see these young men run out and do what they love on a Saturday. Te Taura, Wiri, ngā mihi to you. Bailey's Real Estate, Caltex, Nativa, Follow Projects, Anchor and Clubhouse. Thank you to you.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha I taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whaitake aku whea ko Pauri hei whakamana I taku ana mata.
Mā tō raurau ki MāORI Plus.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough times. It's a real privilege, but you know, for us, we want to see others get involved in it. This is not a selfish thing for Apollo. This is about how can we get, whether it's construction or other businesses, to get involved in this.
There's a lot of things that kids miss out on, and so to have businesses step up and want to be involved and to help is a game changer for schools. It really is.
What makes Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home, every commercial property, every investment, every development, and every farm. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy shit, we're about to have a baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies ki MāORI Plus me whakata Māori.
Hey, sport is about more than just the game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. It's learning when to back yourself or back your buddies. It's actually being excited to get out of bed early on a Saturday. Sport is about more than just the game. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
The forest should never have been taken off the steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Hey, Tefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MΑORI Plus on your devices.
Yeah, not too bad.
Tēnā tātou e te whānau nau mai ki mai anō. Ki tēnei kemu, i wanga nui te kura tamatāne o ngā motu, o mai, o ahuriri, me te kāreti o Tauranga. Nau mai ki mai tēnei wāhanga tua rua. Tino pai tēnei kemu, te rua tukau mātahi ki te pau, te tima o ahuriri, nau mai ki mai anō. Well, we're about to kick underway, and the start of the second half, and if that was anything to go by, the first half was anything to go by, Matt, this is going to be a great finish.
Here we go, Nathan Theron, looking deep. Yeah, I think we are in for another great battle. Just talking to a couple of our spectators who are outside versus us sitting inside. I reckon there's a little bit of wind behind Napier in the first half, Tauranga in the second, so it could be interesting. He was right, the boot of number 10, Will Lovett, he was peeling off some serious yards. That 9-10 combination had a great start for the game.
Harry Bain is the leadership group in this team. Te Ahuriri have been outstanding. Harry Bain at halfback, Will Lovett at first five, and then we've got our captain of Ahuriri, Carter Perry, who's been really leading from the front.
Tauranga Boys here. Oh, that was a great offload, but snapped up there by Ahuriri. A little kick through there by Bain, picked up by Zach Kenny, I think. Nate McDonald, stolen from. I'm just trying to work out exactly what's happening there. Napier ball. It's a good strong carry. Good tackle there from Isaiah Soni.
Great stuff there from Ahuriri.
Out to the
Carter, the captain.
Out of the captain. Getting a strong platform.
Get in behind the to continue to go forward.
Number 3, Monty. Oh, here he is again. That's Bain again. Turnover there. Who's that? That's a great Isaiah Soni, the big prop. Big reach, cleared. Theron. It is a big kick. I think he is right. I think there is some wind out there. And obviously with Lovett carrying it back, probably also an indication that, Tilling put the ball in the air. So set just over halfway here for Napier Boys. Number 6, Ollie McLaughlin, taking a hit there, running again into Soni. Down the far side. Putting the ball on his toe. Ron back. What's he going to do? Well, he's run it out and he's got away. And he's still in. McDonald with the clearing kick. Box kick from McDonald. Hasn't gone out. Right. Number 11 hit there. Good defence in the midfield. Another midfield set, coming to the left again. With number 4, Tommy Morris setting it up there. Bain with the ball. These carries from Napier are relentless. Oh, big blowout. Big strong blowout from number 5. Oh, scrap for the ball on the ground there. Oh, good tackle and Napier Boys. As you can see, this game is taking its toll. Both sides, all hands on hips.
Nui ngā whai wahi, lots of opportunities for both sides.
The scrum of the second half, that was pretty even first half scrummaging. Tauranga feed, so they'll be looking to clear the ball. And if this breeze is to be known, I would say they will try and get that as far down the other end of the field as they can. Good scrum from both teams, Tauranga Boys, and here we are back to Nathan Theron. He's gone for the open, looking for some open field. And Riley at fullback.
Real love at the game, just getting himself in position on the full there. So backed into around the halfway for our whakararangi, our Tauranga, our Paipira.
Right.
So we have got our subs coming on for Napier Boys. Cannot see who's gone off there.
Clinton, who came back on with his special taping, has been replaced by Simeon by the looks of it. Matt Bell to feed the line out. Right on halfway. And that's going to go down as not straight. Very clear with the line of soft and the camera there. Napier having the opportunity, Bain with the ball in hand. Taps and goes. And the captain, wrong run. Simeon over the ball. What's he got? Not that time. Napier Boys going for that. Ball in the air again. And Tauranga Boys feed the line out. Again, Napier coming out of the blocks slightly stronger than Tauranga Boys. Find some pressure, definitely territory pressure.
Make sure we shift. Make sure we shift.
Bell again to feed the line out. Good ball taken from Charlton. Hiripiti Bidwa. Good carry off the ruck. Another carry again by Charlton. Captain leading by example. Big hands over the ball there from number 4. Big Tommy Morris. Had his hands on it, must have just let it go and knocked it on, unfortunately. Here it is again, John. A good play from one side, and then a young man steps up, uses his big levers over the ball.
Bano's got the first 5 on the right side.
22 and the 10-metre line in Tauranga territory. Their feed. And I'm thinking they want to clear this again.
Go, go!
Nope. But fed to the left. Tommy McCoy with the run then. A good run from McCoy down to the halfway. Good quick ball.
Hold them out, Zach. Keep them out.
Down a little bit. Then the
Zach,
into
keep the
Charlton.
forwards out. Keep the forwards out.
Back to McDonald. McDonald having a run. Oh, Nathan Theron. He's opened up. He's put the hammer down. He's done it himself. Can he make it? Yes, he can. Young Nathan Theron. Individual. Hey, Tauranga, some good play, but Nathan Theron just spotting a gap and gone. It might be a cliche, but more toe than the average Roman sandal. Wonderful play from the young man. as I said earlier, year 11, and has been playing this year across the back line. And here he is today, stepping in for his buddy standing next to him, Finn Curtis, in the first 5 jersey. 21-15, kick to come. And the flags go up. There we go, 21-17. It is really turning into a game.
We are Haumaputu i te kurutamatani o ngā mo. A rātou, i nei kapa, ai te kaa, ai te mana, o i nei kapa.
Love it with the kickoff. It's a big high kickoff from Lovett. Down to, unfortunately for Napier. That kick was very high. It was a good challenging. It allowed his players to get right underneath, put that pressure on.
Mate, big kick there. Comes through. I don't think I want to remember that ball.
Yeah, I do think, we used to do this, John, back in our day in London, and we loved it. And I look at it now going, no, thank you.
You loved it.
Yeah. Oh, we did love the game, but I just don't know how the body, it couldn't do it now, I tell you that. Must be getting old. These young men out here, they're giving it everything. Super 8 rugby. Across the North Island, strong competition. Based on the first 3 rounds, I can't see a clear favourite at the moment. And this game's showing that with the score being so close. Gun goes down, reset.
Nei tūhononga kia ahuriri. Knocked on there by Tauranga in the restart. After their piro, we tried.
Playing 2 front rows that began the game. Got a good battle up front. It's a good clear.
Bang, threw the ball into the scrum. Half break there by Lovett, right on his shoulder.
And we've got penalty advantage. And here they go, another big wide pass out to Lovett, and he's in. Davis and giving all his pressure.
Will Lovett. We've seen him mention his name quite a bit in this game, him and Harry Bain. Those scrum half and S5 combination are working really well.
Really well. They're really in tune with each other. Obviously, some great comms out there. And, from the kickoff, mistake from Tauranga Boys, good scrum, good midfield set, and away we go.
Well, we're 12 minutes into the second half. What do you think with the message at half time? Can you see some of the differences in the way that we play?
I think some of the messaging for Tauranga Boys would have been a little bit around territory and possession, looking after the ball. And I would say they'd definitely be having a conversation around that rolling maul from lineouts and how they can attack and address that. Napier Boys. Oh, drop kick. Ball fell over, gave it a drop kick. Ooh.
I think Napier. I think Napier would have this messaging would have been quite good to control the ball, make sure we're doing our small thing, that they're doing their small things right, and they've come out, try a piece in the second half. So I'd say that both teams. pretty happy to start with.
Kick off from Theron, down to Bain, on his right boot. A little bit of a wobbly one off the boot. Down to McCoy. Oh, just taken around the bootlaces. Ruck ball there for Tauranga Boys. McDonald. Out to... Oh, that's a great tackle midfield. Ball there for Tauranga Boys. Tauranga headed Peter Bidwa, takes it and carries well. That's a carry that they needed. McDonald. Oh, is that a little kick? Nice taken.
Clean it, clean it, clean it. Get it open, open. Step on.
Carlton getting in the midfield. Settling things down. Great defense. Sony with the big pass out to Zach Keeney. Oh, he's popped the ball away and we've lost possession. That'll be some of the things that Tauranga Boys will want to tidy up. They want to look after that ball. Splits up. Isaiah Ray Portini. Gets the ruck. Tauranga Boys back again inside their own half. Sony with the ball. Good carry from Sony. McDonald. Long ball back. Charge down. Tommy McCoy. Flips and goes. Always breaks the first, does Tommy McCoy. McDonald.
Push up.
And Ferron with the clearing kick. A big kick. He's done very well. Down to the halfway.
Rarani, Wanganui, Wirataha. Rarani kia Ahuriri.
One out on the halfway. Napier ball.
On the line. Watch it on the line.
Overthrown again here. And McDonald through. Nate McDonald with the ball. Oh. And pushing that pass.
Have a go.
Harry Bain. Down to Theron with the ball.
Drop left, Tommy.
Gary Owen.
Drop left, Tommy.
And a clearing kick. And Will. Oh, that's a big kick. And we have Nate McDonald. Oh, the boys number 9. And he's put a big nudge in. Oh, that's a great nudge. I wonder if that's connect the player for our ball. Line out. Yes, it is. Tauranga. Nate McDonald, 22 to 22. There must be someone out there, John. The flag from the touch judge there doesn't show much, but that's a big kick.
It is a big kick. To be fair, those flags don't really fly for me.
Matt Bell with the throw. Who will they find this time? Will it be Keeney? Will it be Carlton? Carlton moving. Oh, Napier. Deal one. Feed that midfield. Little bobble ball. They're sending it wide. That's a good kick to the hands. And here we are with the clearing kick. Taken by McCoy. Oh, what's his name? Lane. Number 3. Harry Jones with the... Oh, there's kind of a little bit of confusion. There was advantage, no advantage, no penalty.
Ready. On the try now.
17 minutes gone in the second half. Love it. Yeah. AJ Soper for Matt Bell. Replacement hookers.
And we can play underway again here. Are we going to go for the drive?
Yep, been met this time. Been met this time well by Tauranga Boys. Napier though, getting the shove on. Ball tucked in the back with Harry Jones. Oh, this is a great ball from Napier Boys. Jones with the ball. Marching forward. Really good drive here from Napier Boys. Oh, the crowd getting right in behind them. Playing at his way. Here come the backs. People joining from everywhere. Who knows where that ball is now? Must be only 3 metres out, 3 metres out. They've gone down. No arm out from the referee. And scrum. That is a great rolling move from Napier Boys. Must have got some hands in there somewhere, Tauranga too. There he is, Khan Charlton, coming up with the ball, receiving his headgear back. Napier Boys absolutely applying the pressure here. Wanting to add to that lead. Tauranga on their heels.
Well, yeah, Napier need to put some picture on the ticker here.
We've had a change at halfback with Tommy Viren, Tauranga Boys, come on at halfback to Nate McDonald. What will Tauranga do here? Always a tricky position to clear from.
Look at my halfback. Go to a here.
I don't think I ever saw you play halfback, bro. I think back when we were young, the game was slightly different. I would say some of these boys, the way that they're playing, you'd like some of the big boys that we'll see tonight, Chiefs versus Hurricanes. It's a mini Chiefs Hurricanes kind of game out here. You know, we've got the Chiefs region and Tauranga, the Hurricanes region and Napier Boys. That'll be a great battle tonight. Tauranga Boys to feed the line out. Sorry, that's a scrum, not a line out. We'll try again. They must have heard the poor commentating, and so they've decided to reset the scrum so that we can say it properly.
Au mā whā, miniti ki te mutunga o tēnei kimu. Rua te tau mā ono, ia te tau mā whitu, ia te pere tamatane o Ahuriri.
Good scrum from Tauranga. Clearing, good run in the midfield, good clean from the flankers. Viren back to Theron. Oh, can he? Oh, he's not. Napier with the possession now. It's like a little exit box for the winger, and he nearly came off. Number 11, Isaiah Ray Portamy, or was that, I'm not sure who that was down the right-hand wing there. So back for another scrum. Napier ball this time.
Keep it simple. They don't want to know it. They don't want to know it. Keep it simple.
Playing to feed.
While we're at Tauranga, on with the money with
Oh, big scrum from Tauranga. And fully needed too. Especially with the upper hand.
We've got to reset, boys.
Put on Tauranga, right on the front row factory. I must admit, it's some of my favourite rugby to watch. Because you see some of the Super Rugby, they make a mistake and it's wrapped up quick, you know. These boys make a break and it can turn into something, and you know, you really see players giving it a good go. Hope it's a feed. Running out time. Ooh, and stolen by Napier. Bang. Love it. Love it. Over the ball there. Oh, who was that?
Patience! Let's go corner!
Well done, that man. Cohen. Cohen, the centre. Theron. Good kick here. Could put Tauranga into a good position for attack. So the momentum swings again.
It does.
A couple of penalties against Napier, and just like that, Tauranga Boys down deep into the Napier 22. Local with the ball. There's the Tauranga Boys.
Well, I wonder if Tauranga are going to put up the maul here with
apply the same
15,
tactics.
20 metres out, 15 metres out.
Charlton, is he the target? He is the target again, the skipper. It's been sacked by Napier Boys cleanly. No arms out from the referee. Veron, Cohen, Saitu. Good set there. Veron again. Hiripiti Bidwa. Midfield set. Rolling around. Oh, they've gone down to the blind side. Charlton with a big fend and a push. He set the target there. Oh, what have we done? Oh, and a penalty. What will Tauranga do here? Will they collect the points and make it a one-try game?
Caught
the scrum, John. Backing their scrum after that last scrum penalty. In schoolboy rugby, who knows what could happen here? We could have an 8 off the back. We could have centres crashing. It could go wide. Who would know? If it was the Chiefs, they'd have Tupaia running straight through the middle. Sorry for those of you that are Hurricanes fans. I'm an absolute Chiefs supporter.
As am I.
Ah, good boy. The front row factory. Here we've got Sopa, Tony, Bidwa.
Nei Waiwahi, more Tauranga, Kāreti o Tauranga.
Hortons, Jones, Waihipe, the Napier. 5 metres out. And it's down. Time for a breather and a reset for the boys. Just under 9 minutes to go. In what has been a classic Super 8 game of rugby. And I'm sure there's more to come with these 9 minutes. Tauranga Boys fed by Veron. Bidwa looking. Here goes Hiripiti Bidwa.
Great tackle.
Good tackle. He's still going. Good contact there over the ball by Simeon. Sony with the ball in hand. He set the ruck again. Veron with the ball. Looking left, looking right. He's gone left. Big pass out to Tommy Veron. Sorry, that's Tommy McCoy. That was Veron. Hands on ball there by Napier Boys, but we come back for the penalty. They scrum again. Bidwa. Bidwa, he's tapped and gone. Bidwa, looking close. Tauranga Boys close to the line. Tony, oh. Tony still held the ball. Sets the ruck. Veron. Khan Charlton, the captain. Veron. Simeon with the ball. Gets another ruck. Hands in there from Napier. Referee's cleared it. And here we go. Intercept. Here he goes. What's he got here is going to go all the way. Look at the pace of that man. Oh, wow. Almost a 14.5, really, wasn't it? Wow. He picked the wide pass, flipped it, and clean pair of heels. Clean pair of heels. I don't think there was anyone even in the 22 when he was putting it down. Unfortunate there for Tauranga Boys, but you know that's been the game today. Just turn on a dime, love it in front, and not just simple.
Yes, no, it's just the other way around.
Only 1 point game. 1 point game. Yeah, the scoreboard not quite reflecting the entire match, but Napier deserve it of their lead with 5.5 minutes to go. And some good acknowledgement of the young man coming off. Tauranga Boys again. Nathan Thrawn with the ball in hand. Big high kick-off coming. Yes, it does. Oh, they'll take him.
I want a big counter here, Tommy.
Napier up to that strong midfield. Good tackle. Good counter ruck here from Tauranga Boys. Applying a bit of pressure, but Napier's wrapped it up.
Go, Tommy, go, Tommy.
Bain, not to love it. Here they go again. Good fend. Over the ball. Swim over the ball, not this time. Napier would want to look to clear, I'm sure. Bain with the box kick. Clearing out to McCoy. McCoy breaking that first tackle again. Veron. Ripiti Budwa. Veron. Caron. That's the wrong with the ball there. Good clean ruck ball from Tauranga. Can't Charlton the skipper. Good tackle there from Napier Boys. Sony. Good front rower, holding strong, down to ground. Tommy Veron, inside ball. Good strong carry. Napier over the ball. Right. Veron. Jacob Goodwart. Oh. It was a lazy loitering running there, but they got away with it, did Napier. Only with the pass out to Charlton. Tony again. Good defense here from Napier Boys. Tauranga retaining possession though. This is better play from them. But the defense. Charlton with the pick and go. Tony. Boyd with the pass. Oh, that's a big tackle. So he's staying on his feet. Oh, he's done well going backwards. Napier Boys are really applying defensive pressure here on Tauranga. And there is pressure at its finest. The bucket is really getting stuck into our outside here, John.
Get up there, Kenny. Let's go, Kenny.
Great line out take there from Napier Boys. And here comes this drive again. Advantage being played. Bain. Strong run in the midfield. Oh, an offload. Oh, my goodness. What a ball. Payne again. Big long wide pass. Uh-oh. Oh, that's not good for Levitt. He's had such a good game. Cramp. Napier Boys still with possession. It's a strong carry in the midfield. Love it. He's back into the game. Drawn pass. It's a good tackle. He's still on his feet though. He's offloaded. The ball is still in play. These offloads are outstanding. Wow. Oh, the ball's been left there. Tauranga Boys back in possession, but deep in their own half. And Theron with the clearance out to the 22.
Now we must be into the time of the Taiwa Wild.
Aye.
With about 30 seconds on our clock.
Napier Boys. Strong game. Line out time on the 22. Up at 2, and here we go again. This rolling maul from Napier has been a strength of theirs today. Tauranga haven't quite had an answer. And the referee offside. And Napier Boys climb up on the clock. Playing with the ball in hand. And into the corner one last time. Looking to finish strongly, our Napier Boys. And deservedly so. They've played a great second half. Turned the corner with that runaway try.
No challenge up.
No challenge from Tauranga. Oh, they've sacked it. They've got it. Might just be a little bit too late, that practice of sacking the line out. Here we go. Little chip over the top. And, oh, they've done it. Oh, he brought it right now. Napier Boys. What? That's a statement. That's a statement try there from Napier. Climb up on the clock. They chose the line out. Win the line out. And not sure who put that chip over the top, but young man, well weighted.
Well, Simo, 20 years on, who would have thought we've been sitting having a orange juice after our games and saying, well, 20 years' time, we'll have an opportunity to call a game together. Yeah. An absolute pleasure, buddy.
It's been a great afternoon down here in Ahuriri. And a great game of footy. Congratulations to Ahuriri. Napier Boys, love it with the conversion. He deserves it, really. He's had a great game. And he has, he's put it across.
Niki mo tēnei kimu, pātekau, kia te kura tamatāne o Ahuriri, ki te kau mā whiku, ki te kāreti tamatāne o Tauranga. Mihi ana ki a koutou. Nō reira, o ti wā mātou mahi tēnei rā, ngā kaipakahaere, ngā kaipakataitau, kia haumaru tā tātou hokinga, kia koutou kainga. Tēnā koutou ngā kai mā takitaki, I tā koutou tūhono mai, noho ora mai.
And so that's us, all from us today. Thanks for joining us. We hope you have enjoyed not only the game, but some of the dribble between John and I. Safe travels to everyone driving home, especially to those travelling back to Tauranga Moana. Big thanks to all of our players, spectators, our referees, and to Ahuriri Napier Boys for an absolute spectacle of schoolboy rugby. And I'm sure we'll all enjoy digging in and settling in for the big boys tonight. John, thank you. It's been a pleasure. Ngā mihi nui ki a koutou. And until next time.